Come here, Ashton. Okay, this is Lord Ashton. He was born January 14th. We adopted him on May 13th, so I've had him. Tomorrow will be 6 weeks. We're going to show you when I first got Ashton. He was unable, he wasn't friendly, you couldn't touch him, he'd scream and holler. We're going to show you how much he's learned in just a couple weeks. Hi, Ashton. Let's show your stuff. Come here, Ashton. Circle. Other way. Quick, quick, quick. Good boy. Ashton, circle. Quick, 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 quick. Other way. Quick, quick, quick. Awesome. Ashton, up. Ashton. Ashton, up. Ashton, up. Up. Good boy. Awesome. Good boy. Let's see. How about, we'll show you a little thing that he does, how much he's learned. Ashton, shake. Good boy. Ashton, shake. Good boy. Excellent. Let's see. How about Ashton? Take a bow. 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 Good boy. And sneak, 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 sneak. Good boy. We'll do that one more time. Ashton, take a bow. Bow. Good boy. No, all the way. You had a turn. Bow. Take a bow. Take a bow. There you go. And sneak, 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 sneak. Good boy. And we're going to show you one of Ashton's favorite things to do now. He's taking some music lessons and he's going to play the piano. Ashton, play. Play. Good boy. Play. 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 Oh, what a good boy. Play. Go ahead. Good boy. Play. Oh, what a good boy. Play. One more. Oh, great. Wonderful. We finished with that. And then we're going to show you one more thing. Come here, buddy. Ashton. 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 Wave. Wave. Oh, what a good boy. Ashton. Wave. Wave. Oh, excellent. And then Ashton's recently taken up a new sport. He learned to go bowling. Here's your ball. Ashton, push. Get it, Ashton. Go, go. Push. 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 Oh, great. Wonderful. Good boy. Good boy, Ashton. Ashton, shake. Good boy. And Ashton just learned one more thing. I'm not sure how well he'll do this today, but we'll try. Ashton, jump. Good boy. Ashton. Ashton, jump. Excellent. Jump. Oh, clutchy there. But he knows it. Jump. That's a great boy. Ashton, jump. Good boy. Ashton. Ashton, jump. Excellent. And then Ashton, we're going to say goodbye to everybody. Ashton. Ashton, wave goodbye.